Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be seeing how to download some royalty-free audio from some popular sites such as Storyblogs, etc. So let's get started. Hoping just hit royalty-free sounds in your Google search and there'll be a bunch of websites. Just clicked almost the first ones, right? Storyblogs, Premium Beat, and Zapsplat. So just search for the music which you want. You can just browse in their menu, their catalog. Then, if you are interested to pick a song, just right click and hit inspect element. This works, and the browser I'm using is Opera GX, and it is a Chromium based browser, so this will work with Google Chrome also, or any other browser which has an inspect element feature to it. But it's pretty easy in Google Chrome, so just try it out there. Right, so when you get the inspect element tab, go into network, and then go hit play on the song which you want to hear and pause. You just hit it out, have to hit it for a second, and then the browser will find where the song has been linked from. So this is the song which you want to download. So right click, copy link address, paste it on another page, and then you can just download right from there. Save audio as something. And there you go. You have already downloaded. Hi guys. See you later. Bye bye.